basic sorting. That's what we just did now. Basic sorting. That is from A to Z. That's what. So I'm going to make a duplicate. Okay, let's name it sort sheet. So should be able to identify this sort sheet. So we're going to make a duplicate of this sort sheet. How do you make a duplicate? How do you make a copy of this? So you can make a copy by right clicking on the worksheet. Don't copy. Some of us are used to this. Copy everything, then you open the sheet and paste. No, don't do that. So just right click on the worksheet, which is the sort sheet. Then create a copy. First click on move a copy, then create a copy, then move to the end. In this order, you make a duplicate of this worksheet. You make a duplicate of this worksheet, then click OK. So what I just explained, the first is what? Is worksheets. Sorting sheets. Sorting sheets. Type of sorting. So the first one we looked at now is what? Sort sheets. So this is what we just did now. Like the first. So sort sheets organizes all of the data in your worksheet by one column, which is just did now. We use a column to sort.
Hello, Mr.
Okay.
Dan.
Yes, sir.
So are you going to give us this note?
Yeah, I'll try and I'll forward it to you. I'm done.
Okay, thank you.
So sort sheets organizes all of the data in your worksheet by one column. Related information across each rows is kept together when the sort is applied. When the sort is applied. So you can see that this sorting is very important as a data person. So not all this big formula. These are something you come across your daily job, your daily activities. So are the basic things you come across. So the next, let's look at sort range. Sort range. So sort range, sort the data in a range of cells, which can be helpful when working with a sheet that contains several tables. This is very important. When you have sheets that contains various tables, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 tables inside a worksheet, you can make use of this sort range. So sorting a range will not affect other contents in the worksheet. It does not affect the next table. It only affects the selected range. Okay, that is sort range. It only affects the selected. Hello. Okay, I want to answer your question. Can I ask your question? Hello, ma. Someone is raising hand. You want to ask a question? Check your mic. Maybe your mic is mute. So, or mute. Okay, let's go on. You can type if you're having issue with your mic. You can type so I can look at your question. Then you can type So let's move on. So let's look at this work sorting range. So we have another table here. You can see this sheet is consists of two tables. We have another table, total order. So we have another table here. So let's look at how we can sort by range. So the first, our light it, you can see that by highlighting it, the range at which I want to sort. I highlight the range, then click on the data tab, then custom this dialog box, click on this dialog box. Then here you can now choose what and what you want to use to sort the range. So if I want to sort it by class, fine. I can also sort it by order. Sorting by class means I want to sort with the items. Sorting with order means I want to sort with the value. So you can decide which and which you want to sort with, either the class or the order. So let's use the order. So I'll choose the order here. Then you can decide how you want to sort it, how you want to arrange your work. Maybe you want to arrange it in smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So let's pick largest to smallest. So this is how sort range is applied. You select the range, then you click on the dialog box, which is the sort box. From there, you apply your sorting. So that is that. So take note of that. So another example that is very important, very, very important. I'm giving you the third example now. Is custom sorting. This is very, very important, because in this order, let's say what you're trying to apply does not relate to A to Z, does not relate to Z to A. Okay, then you are looking for how you can change the order of the sorting. This function is very useful. So you can use this function to customize the sorting, the order you want. You can sort based on the order you want, but you need to learn how to apply it. So sometimes you may find that the default sorting option cannot sort data in the order you need. Fortunately, Exit allows you to create a custom list to define your own sorting order. Someone is messaging here, 1 minute. Okay, Mr. Ajayi Michael, how do you have a table on 2 columns? Hello, sir. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is table 1. This is table 1. Look at my screen. This is table 1. This is table 1. Then this is table 2. They are of 2 different things. Understand? So table 1, you can have as many tables in your worksheets. Many tables in your worksheets. So that sort range is very important. So especially if you're sorting it differently. Let's say, for instance, you work in an organization whereby you're creating different tables. You don't want to create table in different sheets. You want to create it in one sheet. That sorting range is very useful. Understand? So you cannot, that sorting range will not affect the next table. So, any other question?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you very well.
Saying how
The line is
did
breaking.
you have these total orders by grade under G and
Okay.
E?
Okay. This right here. This
Yeah.
this is just color. This is just color. Like
Can
this
you
is
hear
just
me?
color. Like, yeah, I can hear you. This is just color. You say, how did I have this total order by grade? on G
G and H
and H.
together.
Yes, that I'm telling you now. It's only on the total order by grade is on G, not H.
Okay.
So you understand? If I expand it now, can you see?
Okay.
Can you see?
Yes.
It's on G, not H.
Thank you, sir.
Just thank you. So let's go on.
Hello, Mr. Brown.
Yes, sir.
Please, can you just repeat how you saw the second one by order? Because I tried it on my listing, I couldn't see the.
Which one? Is it the sort range?
Yes.
This, right?
Yes.
The first step, you highlight the range. Select the range. So after selecting the range, then you click on the data tab. From the data tab, you have sort box. This is a dialog box. You click on it. You click on the dialog box. Then you select the column. So try correct yours. Let's move on to.
Mr. Dan,
Yeah, I
just
can hear you.
good afternoon. Yeah, so when you were doing the duplicate of a
Okay.
shape, it was freezing, so I wasn't
Okay.
seeing it.
Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Just right click on the sheet, then move or copy. Move or copy.
Oh, okay.
Then you create a copy. Then you move it to the end. Move it to the end.
Okay.
That's all.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So that is that on this is sort range. Sort range. So the next you are looking at now is the custom sorting. So this is what we're looking at now, the custom sorting. Should I go ahead? We are okay with sort, then sort range, then custom sorting. So let's move on. Let's look at the custom sorting. So looking at this now, we have t-shirt size. T-shirt size is with large, medium, small, and extra large. So sorting this in this order, for instance, let's say we want it in this order. We want the small to appear first. We want the medium to follow, then the large and the extra large. And I put it to you that if we sort it A to Z, we won't achieve that. We cannot achieve small. We cannot achieve small, medium, large, and X large. Or can we achieve it with that?
No, we can't.
We can't achieve it with A to Z or Z to A. Can't achieve that. Let's look at it. Look at it here. Can you see? The large will come first, followed by medium, followed by small, then X large. If you say Z to A, X large, small, so we cannot achieve this. We can't achieve it in this order. This is the order we want to sort it with. So somebody can be working, don't know how to do this kind of thing. Maybe want to organize it to give the person clearer understanding of his data. But say, sir, can you help me fix this? Something that you can just one click and fix. So let's look at how we can fix this stuff. Let's look at how we can fix it. So the first thing, you click on the column Click on the column, then click on the data tab. These are your ribbons. We call them ribbons. We have the file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data tab, review, view, head, and power pivot. They are called ribbons, Excel ribbons. So each of them have their menus and subgroups. So click on the data tab, then you click the sort box. Click on the sort box. Okay, just click, then click on the sort box. So look at it here. You see this showing the t-shirt size. Then come to the order and click on custom list. Custom list. So in this custom list, this is where you define the order you want to use to sort. This is where you define it. This is where you define how you want to organize your file, your documents. This is where you define. So I want small to come first. Then I need medium. Then I need large. Then X large. So then add. After that, click add.
Is it excellent?
After that, click add. You can see that it's on the list now. It's on the custom list. Then click OK. Then OK. So looking at it now, you can see that it's well arranged. Medium and small, then medium, large, and extra large. So this is how you apply your own level of sorting. Like this is the order of this is the order. This is the order of I want my sorting to look like.
Mr. Tan, that means it affects all the
Yes, it affects everything on this sheet. Everything on this table, this particular table we are using, not the other table. This one, we have two tables. The one that is total order by grade, that one is different. But this table that have home room, first name, last name, teacher size, and payment platform, what we just did now will affect every record inside.
Mr. Van,
Yes.
Mr. Van, please, the network was shaking. I don't know.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. What is your question?
How did you align it to be small, medium, large?
Okay.
After you went to the sort box, that's where I stopped.
Yes. From the sort box, you click on the column you want, which is the t-shirt size. Then come to custom. This is custom list. Click on the custom list. Then you type the order in the order which you want it to be sorted, separating by comma. Yes. So you type it separated by comma. After that, you add. After adding, you click OK. So from OK, then you see it here, showing small, medium, large, extra large. That's all. Mr. Jai, you're asking if the sheet is part of what I sent. Yes, check the ones the last one I sent. The last sheet I sent is there. So please check. Should I move on? Done with custom sorting. So now you know when to use custom sorting. As a data analyst, it's very, very key. I'm giving you some of the key functions you need. Some of the key functions. Excel is wide. It's wide. Anybody can go to Excel. Some of them are accountants. They can go to Excel. Some of them are analysts. They can go to Excel. But your own parts. These are some of the things you really need. Arranging your worksheet is very key. Arranging your worksheet is very key. Okay. Mr. Jai, hope you didn't open the challenge. Hope you didn't open this one. This is the challenge. Hope this is not what you're using to work. This is another sheet. This is what we are using. This is what we are using. So the video is also I'm also recording this section. So in case you miss any section, so we can cover much because for our time. When I'm done, I'll forward the recorded sections. So let's look more. Add level sorting. So add level sorting, like I told us, Excel allows you to sort with more than one column. That is add level sorting. Excel allows you to sort with more than one column. With more than one column. So if you need more control over how your data is sorted, you can add multiple levels to any sort. This allows you to sort your data by more than one column. This allows you to sort your data by more than one column. Please take note. So you can sort your data set by more than one column. More than one column. You can sort by more than one column. So let's get down to it. Let's see. So I'm going to make a duplicate of this custom sorting. Move or copy. Then move to the end, create a copy. Add level sorting. Add level sorting. So looking at this little data set, this data set we have here, I like us to look at two columns, two major columns. I like us to look at the home room, then the t-shirt size. Looking at it, looking at the picture, we can make it very easy for us to organize. So the small has its own room, the medium has its own room, then the large home room, then extra large home room. But one thing you should look at now is that for the small let's look at the small. It's not organized. Looking at this small, their values are not organized. They are not in ascending, neither in descending order. Looking at it, they are not in ascending, neither in descending order. So we can try sorting the t-shirt size by the home room. So that is number one key of add level sorting. Sorting with multiple columns. So look at it. Let's go. Click on the t-shirt size, then click on the data tab. Then we have the sort dialog box. Then select. I want the starting is the t-shirt size. I'm sorting the t-shirt size against the home room. Then add level, this add level. Then by what? By home rule. So there's it. My t-shirt size, we're using what? The smallest to what? To largest. Then home room, smallest to largest. So look at that. Look at the settings. Then before I click OK, you can comment, just drop a comment so I will know that you're okay with yours.
So then after highlighting, what next do you do?
Okay, should I go back again?
Yes.
I didn't highlight, I just click on the cell, t-shirt side. I just click on any of this cell on t-shirt side. Then click on the dialog box. Then select home room. Then on the others, I'll pick smallest to small, medium, large, and extra large. Then add the level. I'm sorting it by home room. That's all. So you look at it now and tell me what you discover.
The t-shirt sorted small, medium, large.
The number, what do you discover?
The number from the smallest number going down to the largest.
Smallest number going down to the largest.
Then from 220 alphabetically, the letters attached to it arranged alphabetically.
Okay, good. So now it's well organized.
Yeah.
So who have done this happen? Who have completed? So move on to the next.
I've done it.
Completed.
Good. Okay.
But the first name and the last name did not change. Okay, we started t-shirt by only.
So now, if you're giving something like this to work on, there will not be issue. Right?
Yeah.
Who else? So I move on.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, great. So there are many more things to learn on that sorting, but let's move on to subtotal. But before we go to subtotal, there's one other sheet I sent to us, which is this. So I like us to sort this one. Let's sort the region. Let's sort the region.
So I said you sent something.
This one. Look at the group. Creating subtotal. Sent it earlier on. Creating subtotal.
Okay.
So sort the region, then let's also sort it by if we sort the period, the sales period, can we get January, February, March, April, May in order? If we sort it alphabetically.
No.
Are you
No, we
sure?
won't.
So what are we going
Yeah.
to use for it?
We use
So what?
custom
What
Will
are we
sorting.
going
you
to use to achieve it?
We use the custom sorting.
custom list?
We use
The add level.
So who can tell us what to do? Someone that is in this
add
class.
level. We use add level sorting.
Add level sorting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We say add level sorting. Who else? Do you buy his idea? You're in this
Sorry,
class.
what was the
We
question
use
again?
custom sorting.
I said, if I use A to Z, can I get January, February, March to December in order?
No.
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 So I'm not said, what should I use?
Custom sorting.
We use custom
Custom
sorting.
sorting.
Okay, so let's
Custom.
see.
Custom sorting. Not
Sorry,
adding.
there's something making noise. I can't.
Mr. Mr. Kennedy, your mic.
Yes.
Okay, so say we should use custom sorting. So sorting by sales period. So if you add a custom list, then look at we have it here. Can you see? Do you see? By default is there.
Yes.
So click OK. Then so after arranging this like this now, what do you discover on this column? There's something that is who can tell us? There's something wrong with the cell. As a data person, look at it very well and tell me.
It's not aligned.
It's not aligned. So what happened to it? What are we going to do to it? So we can clean it up. We can clean it up.
We align it.
Can you stream? Cost stream. Right now. So how do we take away the formula? Because if I delete anything here now, it's going to affect us. So how do we take away the formula? After the trim, we select all, then right click, paste as value. Paste as value. Copy, paste as value. So in that way, you can delete this one, you can take that one out, you can take this out. Then we have the trim.
Okay. Sorry, are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording. So now we can now sort this sales period by region. You can sort it by region now.
Hello, Mr. Dan. Please, before
Yes,
you
sir.
go further,
Yes, sir.
the trim you did,
Yes, sir. I
Hello?
can hear you. I can hear you, sir.
Yeah. Why did we do that there? Because it's like giving us the same result as before.
The the data set is not aligned. It's not aligned in order. You understand? There was space in between. There was space in between. Look at yours very well. You see that there was space in between. And done with this. So this is now well arranged. This is well arranged according to the month. So that is that on. Let me name this sorting. So the next thing we are looking at is subtotal. Subtotal and grouping. Subtotal and grouping. So worksheets with a lot of content can sometimes feel overwhelming and can even become more difficult to read. Unfortunately, Excel can organize data into groups, allowing you to easily show the hidden different section of your worksheet. You can also summarize different groups using the subtotal command and create an outline for your worksheet. So Excel allows you to group your data. That is very, very good. Allows you to group data. So automatically, by default, once you add subtotal to your group to your data, it's automatically group it into different sections. So this subtotal free you from stress of if sum ifs. Understand? Some of us we have issue with sum if here, no issue. It's like a summary of that. This is like a summary of count if and sum if. Okay, so let's put it to practice. Have I sent that one to us? Let me check. I'm not sure. Look, I've sent it. I've sent it. No, let me see. Let me check. Subtotal. So let's use this for it. Let's use this. So I would like to where is that data set? So I like to use this for it. So I'll make a duplicate. Create a copy, move to the end. So subtotal. So these are subtotal here. Can see quickly calculate rows of related data by inserting subtotal. So I'm going to click on it. So this is the dialog box. The first thing is that each change in. The second is use function. So subtotal, with subtotal you can use function like sum, count, average, mean, max, product, count, numbers, standard deviation. So you can use any of these functions with subtotal. So what I want to do here is that we want to count the total number of small, total number of medium, total number of large, and total number of extra large. So as each change in the column to use for this is t-shirt size. Because I want to count how many small, so I'll pick t-shirt size. Then the function to use is count. That's all. Then click OK. So looking at it, it's telling us that here they'll have small count of 8. 8 counts, is it? Then we have medium count of 10. We have medium count of 10. Then we have large count of 5. So that means there are 5 large t-shirts. 5 large t-shirts. Then we have 4 extra large. So, and from the definition, it states that it groups your data into groups. So this is it here, the left hand side. This is group 1. Group 1 shows you the grand total, the total number of t-shirt size. We have total t-shirt size, which is 27.
The line is breaking. Seriously.
Okay. Maybe it's network.
I can't hear from there.
That should be network. Can you hear me now?
Please, can you take it from where you got the subtotal from?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Kenny. So that is that on subtotal. It groups data into 3 groups. This is group 1, like I said, group 1 showing you the grand total, 2 showing you the total for each of the t-shirt size. So you can see this here, we have count, small 8, we have medium count 10, large count 10.
Large
And
count,
this saved you stress of using count if.
count if.
Yes, instead of making use of your count if, your traditional count if.
This one is working smart.
Yes. So, these are some of the functions.
So now what does the third group does?
The third group,
Yeah.
the third group shows you everything now, the complete data. This is it. So that is that on subtotal. Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr.
Hello,
John.
ma. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, ma. Someone raised it. Two people raised hand. Mr. Kenny. Okay.
Yes. Sorry, I can't. This subtotal I did not even hear from the beginning. The line was
Okay.
breaking. Then I was
But
trying to raise that issue.
okay,
And then
okay.
now I didn't even see your screen again. I can only see your face.
It's your network. It's your network. Don't worry. It's recorded also. You understand? You can just try to go over the class later on, so we can cover much. Okay. Just try to go over it. Okay, sir. Hello, ma. Mr. Jai, you're raising your hand. Okay, so that is that for sub total group sorting. So we'll move to the next thing. But before we move to the next thing, they want this supposed to look at it. Can somebody get me the are we listening?
Yeah.
Can somebody tell me the steps to follow to get the sales for each of the months? For January, I'll need the sales. For February, I need the sales. For March, I need the sales. June, July, sales. Can somebody put me through? The way we just get looking at the count of the t-shirt side. Can someone put me through on this?
We use the subtotal.
Okay, step by step. Step by step.
F1, click on the subtotal icon.
Subtotal icon. Just click on subtotal icon. It does not matter where I put my cursor.
Okay. Put your cursor on the sales above 7.
Okay. I should put it on sales.
No, any of the,
Okay.
then go to subtotal.
Subtotal. I'm there.
Then select, it's country.
I said for each month.
Okay,
For
sales
the sales for
period
each
then.
month. I should select what?
Sales period.
Okay. Sales period done.
Then is it sum or count? Did you ask for that?
Some for sales.
Okay,
Some.
then done.
So let's see. Let's say level 2.
Then by sales amount. Okay.
Yeah, I've done that. So you can see that
Mm.
very easy without stress. No stress.
Yeah.
Okay. Someone talking. No stress. So you can check from this plus sign. You can check the particular. Look at it. If I click on the plus, the first plus there, you see that it shows us this January. You see
Yes.
in January
In
everything.
January.
Then if you want to check for February the second, everything in February. Very easy, very easy, very easy. So please take notes of it. If you have any question, drop. So 2 topics done. Subtotal, then sorting. Just
Okay.
picking.
There's a question.
Yes. You can ask your question.
Okay. So, like, if you want to start, you can put your cursor on the cell on that sales period, right?
Anywhere on this cell, but the major thing is from this dialog box. From this dialog box, you can set everything here up.
Okay. You can put your cursor on any place and just set
Yes.
it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma,
Thank
you
you.
say you're not clear on the subtotal. Please let me get your question. So keep in mind before escape. Keep in mind that subtotal does not work on table formatting. Keep in mind that subtotal does not work with table formatting. I'm going to show it now. If this data set is formatted as a table, is this formatted as a table? Let me ask first. Is this data formatted as
No.
no? So let me give us example now. I will take this as example. So let's say I format this data set, this one. Let's say we format this as a table. How do you format as a table? You can use your Ctrl T, or if you don't want to make use of Ctrl T, you can use insert. It's insert, then this table. You can see the shortcut Ctrl T. You can see that. Or you can use the home tab, then format as table. Format as table. So you pick any of the design. So I'm going to use the insert, then table. Then showing that our table has headers. So this is now a table. This is what I mean. This table now cannot work with subtotal. You can't insert subtotal. I can see the subtotal is not active. Can you see that? It's not active. So take note that the subtotal cannot be used for table formatting. You cannot use it in table formatting. It can only work for like an input in an Excel data entry input. Then don't format as table. Format as table. The subtotal will not be active. So why I'm saying this is that maybe you're working with a table like this and you're trying to you say this subtotal is not working. Why? Take note. It does not work with table formatting. It does not work with table formatting. Take notes. Ma, you're asking question. Say the subtotal is not clear. Can we hear you? So I know what to explain. Okay, so like she's having issue with her network. So the next thing, like I said, I'm going to be picking it step. I'm going to cover everything. So this one, most of us use it every time, but we just know that we use it. If I ask, I just lock myself. Why do you lock it? You don't know why you lock it. So we have relative and absolute cell reference. Relative and absolute cells reference. So let me see if I can send this file. Let's check if it's on my drive. Please check the platform. For those on the platform, let's check. If you don't have access to it, just drop a message. I'll send to you. Please check. we have a project section coming up next week. For those that enroll in that part, I try to make something that everybody can join in. Those are on my platform. So for those that have applied for it, by Saturday or Friday that we're starting. So it's project based because I like most of us to get hands on projects, not just the class, just get hands on projects. Look at the real life, how we can apply it in real life. So please, if you're not part of it, try to make yourself part of that. It's going to last for 3 months. So it's a practical based training program. You know what I mean by practical? It's not like I'm teaching you what is a cell, what is cell reference, what is no. You get a project, then start together. So for 3 months we cover SQL, then Power BI projects. So let's go on. I'll send the cell reference. So let's look at the Excel cell reference. We copied it. Have you downloaded the file?
Not yet.
Please do. So there are two types of sales reference: the relative and the absolute reference. The relative and absolute reference behave differently when copied and filled with other cells. Relative reference change when a formula is copied to another cell. Absolute reference, on the other hand, remain constant no matter where they are copied. So take note. Two types: the relative and the words and the absolute self reference. So you can ask, why did I bring out relative and absolute self reference? It's something that you will come across. Say for instance, you're trying to calculate, so you're trying to input a formula in itself, and you discover that trying to autofill to the next cell is not working. So it will take you to this absolute cells and relative cells. So say relative changes when the formula is applied to another cell, while absolute reference remain constant. Remain constant. It does not change. It does not change. So starting with the relative. So by default, all cells are relative reference. All cells are
Reference.
relative references. So when copied across multiple, change based on what? Based
The
on
relative.
relative position of rows and columns. For example, if you copy the formula equals A1 plus A2 from row 1 to row 2, the formula will remain equals A2 plus B2. It's going to remain equals A2 plus what? B2. So please take note. All cells are relative reference. All cells are relative reference. So when you need to repeat across multiple rows or columns, can use the reference. So let's work on sheets. Let's look at this sheet. So Have you opened this sheet?
Yes.
So after this class, you discover the difference between relative and absolute. So you know why you always use dollar sign. You know why you always use dollar sign to log yourself. Okay, so there's a cell I want. Let's use let's use this. Check for this.
Mm.
Done. So
Yeah.
for us to get the grand total, for us to get this line total, I mean the line total, how can we get the line total? We can
Multiply.
by multiplying the unit price times what? The quantity.
Um,
Then you can autofill. So let's check if there is any issue. No issue. No issue. No issue. No issue. So for the relative, it applies to what? To the next cell. So double clicking, it's autofill the rows depending on the values they have. So you can see this is for 2.99 multiplied by 15. So you get your value. This you get your value. This you get your value. So that is for relative
Relate.
reference. So let's look at absolutes. So when you look at absolute, there may be a time when you want a cell to change when copied. You don't want it to change when copied to other cells. Like relative reference, absolute reference do not change when copied or filled. They don't change, they remain constant. Understand? You can use an absolute reference to keep a row or a column constant. See why you're using that dollar sign. Each time you put your dollar sign. Some people say, why am I locking it? Why am I putting F4? Why am I locking this cell? So these are one of the reasons. You don't want it to change. You want it to remain constant. You use your dollar sign. So I'm going to explain the different way you can use it. So absolute reference is designed or designated in a formula by what? By the addition of a dollar sign, which I told you now. So you use your dollar sign to make it constant. So let's look at some of the level of absolute reference. Let's look at some of the level. Dollar sign. Let's say example. Let's just pick cell 2. Dollar sign A. Dollar sign 2. So what is the use of this? The column and the row. Please take notes of this. Do not change when copied. We also have A Can use any cell. So I'm just using particular cell as example. $2. The row, this one work for row, just rows.
Okay.
The row does not change when copied. Then we also have for column, just column. $A2. This is for column. So if you want to lock only the column, you use this. Column does not change when copied. So those are the 3 stages.
Sorry, the task line should be shift 4, right?
Yes. FN, and F4. For some system F4 only is okay.
F. But can I shift 4?
Shift, because it's not for shift. Use FN, or you use F4, just F4 key on the keyboard. Don't use shift.
F4.
So let's look at it in this order. Let's use this. Let's use this menu order. Let's use the menu order for it. So our goal here is to get the total tax. We want to get the total tax for each of these menu items. Total tax for each of the menu item. Total tax for each of the menu item. So equals B4 multiply C4. Then multiply, this is the tax rates, multiply by tax rates. Then this is for the first item. This is the tax, the sales tax for the first item. Multiplying the unit price and the quantity, then the tax rates. So autofilling here now we have a little issue here. Look at, let's see. Do you see what happened here now? So let's see the issue. Click on the next. You see what happened? The 7.5 tax rate is not constant.
Okay. Yeah.
It's not constant. That is the issue there. So this is where absolute references comes to play. This is where it comes to play. So let's look at how we can apply it. So I'll click the formula. Then I'm going to make the tax rate constant because it's for everybody. The tax rate is going to be applying for each of those rows. So I'm going to make it constant. How do you make it constant? You use your F4. Then just autofill again. Can you see that now? See that? So this is how to use the absolute sales reference. So when you are looking at, how do I use absolute sales reference? Don't ask question again. You know how to use it now. Any question? Please ask your question. So the next, I said I'm going to pick. I'm not teaching you like teaching you class. So I'm picking the ones I'm going to choose. So the next is what if analysis. Hello? Hello, Ma, you're trying to ask? Please ask. Your network okay now? You say your menu order, right? Is it your mic? Can other anybody hear her? She say, why am I not hearing her? So who else can hear what she's saying?
I can only hear you, Mr. Dan.
She's talking that way now. Why can't I hear? Okay, she said.
Maybe it's a night.
Yeah, maybe it's Madam, just try going off and join back. I think that will be okay with you. Go off then join back so you can get your correction. Join back again. Join back. Okay, so we join back. I'm trying to ask questions since. So, what if analysis is very, very in Excel? What if analysis? Please don't enjoy this section too much. Sorry.
How do you know they're enjoying it?
let me put this in your mind now.
How do you know you're enjoying it?
Hello, Ma. You can talk now. Let's see. Check the one you muted. You have to you're joining to check the one you muted. There's one you muted. Check that one, unmute that one. It's like you're using your system. Unmute the second one. This one you're using currently, I can't hear you on this one. Okay. She's trying to fix our audio. Let's continue. So, Excel includes powerful tools to perform complex mathematical calculation, including what-if analysis. This feature can help you experiment and answer questions with your data, even when the data is incomplete. See, even though when the data is incomplete. So in this section, you'll be learning how to use the what-if analysis. What-if analysis. So in this what-if analysis, we have stages. We have the one we call go seek. There's go seek. There's go seek. There is let's see. Let's check out. Yeah. Place it here. So there is scenario manager. There's go seek. There's data table. So hello, Ma. Yeah, okay, maybe I should explain that again since you cannot hear me. See, me, I can hear you, I can see you talking, but we cannot hear you. Can anyone hear her? She's talking. Can anyone hear her?
No.
It's true she's talking, but
That's why increase maybe the volume.
No, she what I
might be
discovered is
because
that
of YouTube.
what I discovered that she's using the two device to join. maybe she can. I was telling her to switch to the second one. That second one is mute. So if you can unmute that second one, then maybe we can hear her. But this one is not even talking at all. This one is not working. And she wants to ask 2 times now.
I think her question, she already typed her question. She said she didn't understand the absolute cell referencing.
I don't know the part now. I don't know the part. I don't know the part because I started explaining the absolute cell reference. That all cells are relative reference. Then we looked at absolute. Why you need to use absolute to keep your cell constant. So I want to get a question specifically. I want to know. Okay, menu other tax calculation. Okay. So for this, what we did was multiplying the unit price and the quantity. Then the tax rate is 7.5. So multiplying by 7.5. So after multiplying it, we discovered that using autofill, the cell is having issues. It's not keeping the tax rate constant. So we should need to keep the tax rate constant. But without keeping the tax rate constant, we're going to have issue with the following cells. So that is what we did by using our F4. Okay. So don't worry, you watch the video all over again, please. So I have a few minutes, so I can just do 1 or 2 again. All right, stop. So let's go on. So let me drop the analysis.
F4.
Check. So this is what we are using. Already, let me know.
Very easy.
Okay, so if analysis back. So like I said, the Excel includes powerful tools to perform complex mathematical calculation, including what if analysis. So we're going to be learning how to implement this what if analysis. So the first thing we'll be looking at in this section is the COSEC. The COSEC. So please look at my screen. So when you
When
create
did you send the worksheet already?
I'll send the data set. So how the tax rate constant is by locking your cell using the F4. Click on the formula, then this is how you keep it constant. This is it. Then select the E2. Click on the E2, then click F4 on your keyboard. So in that way, you keep the cell constant. So when you create a formula function in Excel, you put various parts together to calculate the results. Go seek work in the opposite. So go seek work in the opposite. It lets you to start with the desired result, and it calculates the input value that will give you that result. So it will give you the value that will give you that result. So you can see that go seek is doing the opposite of what we do with our normal Excel. So let's look at example 1. Example 1. So let's say you are enrolled in a class. Take note of this. So this way it comes to play. Let's say you are enrolled in a class. You currently have a grade of 65. Please take note. Don't get distracted now. Let's say you are enrolled in a class and you currently have a grade of 65 and you need at least a 70 to pass the class. Are you taking notes?
Yeah.
Luckily, you have one final assessment that might be able to raise your average score. You can use the GoSeek to find out what grade you need on the final assignment to pass the class. You can see that?
Yeah.
You can use it to know what you need to score to pass the final assignment. So let's look at this. Let me cut it. So looking at it, look at this. We're using this. Where is it? We're using this.
Mhm.
So we have grade what? We have 58, 70, 72,
72 and 60.
and 60. So our goal is to get the final grade.
7.
So we need to get the final grade, then also get the what the person needs to score in the in the exam. What he or she needs to score.
To score, to get up to
That. How do we get the average first? Like the average grade. Who can tell us? How do we get average?
Total divided by 4. Or you use the formula.
Okay.
You can use the formula.
We should use the formula. Good.
Yes.
Mr. Kenny said we should use the formula. I'm gonna
ABG.
enable editing. Okay, so let's put it here. Equals average. Then we select from B2 to B6.
B6.
Now the average is what? The average is what?
7.
So what do you need? What do you need to score?
You need
Now
to score
we know
You
we
have
know
to score
the
5.
we know the average now, which is 65. From the question, you say, let's say you are enrolled in a class and you currently have a grade of 65, which is the grade that we have now. You currently have a grade of 65, and you need at least 70 to pass. You need at least 70 to pass. Right? So after getting the average, what is the next thing? What is the next thing to do?
Look
What
for
is
the
the,
score that
what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to look for the final exam. The final exam, which is the next thing, is to look for the final exam. So click on 65, then go to your goal seek. Where do we get our goal seek? This is our goal seek. Click on it. So this is your goal seek. Showing you what? Set cell. Set cell is what? B7. Set cell is B7. Are you following?
no. Can you
Set
repeat this?
cell. I should go back again.
Yes.
I have not done anything yet now. The final grade, did you get the final grade?
Yes.
I say you should click on it, then click on the data tab, then click on Go Seek. Madam, the Go Seek is on the data tab on the ribbon. Then this is the Go Seek. So click on the Go Seek. So clicking on the Go Seek, we have set cell. So the cell we are using there is what? Is B7 for the set cell. So what is the value? What is the value? What is the grade we need to get?
70.
Right? Then, by changing cell, what cell is that? Final exam. That's all. Then click OK. So it's still loading. So the target value is what? The target value is what?
90.
The target value, look at it now.
Okay, 70.
Then the current value. The current value.
65.
My own current value is 70.
77.
Is 70. Then the person final grade will be what? The person final grade will be what? Will be 90. So it means that you will need to score at least a 90 on the final assessment to earn a passing grade.
For the final grade.
See why it's very, so you can use this for your own self.
I'm telling you.
If you are in school, you can use it to know your performance. Oh, okay, I can use this for myself. Yeah. I will still show you another way you can use it. This one is one, but I have limited time.
Saddam, please, by changing cell, we'll click on the cell itself. That's B6.
Yes, that is the final exam.
The cell must contain a value.
Miss Shoma, Miss Shoma is in this section.
Yes, madam.
You are here.
Yeah, good afternoon. I joined this show.
All of your friends.
I don't know.
You not go to work together. Enjoy yourself.
I've been busy this morning. I just joined now.
Hope you're learning something now.
Yes. Because I'm busy, but I'm still listening.
Mr. Dan.
Later on, you can watch it.
Yeah,
Dan.
okay, no problem. Mr. Kai, Mr. Kai, good afternoon.
Hey, Madam
Okay,
Chioma.
good afternoon,
Nice to
sir.
see you.
I'm seeing your picture. You're doing well. I'm your video. Well done, man.
Nice seeing you here.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Dan,
Yes, sir.
can we run it again? You see, he's complaining. Oh.
You say what?
When I run my own, maybe to
Yes,
value
sir.
70, we are going to put in that value now, to value 70.
Yes, sir.
Then by changing cell A6.
Hmm. Let me show you the settings. Let me show you the settings.
Okay, sir.
Here it is. Look at it.
Yes.
Here should be what?
Yes.
70.
70.
70.
Okay.
Then you click on the cell here. Click on the cell. Finish.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. I understand now.
Let's do another example. Here's another example. Example 2. The sheet. Event planning. Event planning. Event planning. Are we there?
Yes.
So let's look at it. So looking at this, let's say you are planning an event and want to invite as many people as you can without exceeding a budget of what? Of $500.
$500.
So you get that. You don't want to exceed the budget of $500. Now, looking at your data set now. Looking at your data set, we have what?
Reservation fee,
Reservation fee is how much?
$230.
Okay. Then
Price per person, $14.50.
now we don't know the number of what?
Yes.
Let me go back again. Yeah.
Let's say you are planning an event and want to invite as many people as you can without exceeding a budget of $500. You can use GoSeek to figure out how many people to invite.
Yes, go on.
Okay.
So let's see. So the first, you should know what to do now. Click here first. Since we have calculated the budget based on the reservation fee and the price per person. So the budget we got now is what? 230.00. So click on your GoSeek. Then to value, what value I'll put in there? You can tell us.
500.
500. Then by changing cell, that will put in there. By clicking on
The number of yes.
Good.
Mm.
Yes.
That's before.
So how many people are you going to invite?
18.
18.
That is approximately 19.
Approximately 19 people.
Yeah. You're not going to go past your budget.
But they say as many people as you can. I think for not many now.
Okay.
If I want to invite 50 people with $500, they'll drink water and go home.
Where is your
Uh,
budget? Where is your budget? So let me give you guys one to tell me this.
Sorry,
One, just
so that
that means
there
the
is
budget will eventually change,
Mr. Adan,
like the one that we set before.
the
Mr.
budget.
Adan,
The budget we have, sir. I can hear you, sir.
yeah, sorry. When I did the same thing you did, it's just telling me that it must contain the formula. You said
Which one did
the
you
cell
do?
must contain a formula.
Screenshot your phone, paste it on the WhatsApp. I'll check it there.
Okay.
But for those in this class now that did what I did, try this tax. That is challenge. Try this challenge. I'll give you opportunity to try it. Let it not be that you not try anyone. So check and tell me your answer.
what's the
Chama,
question?
I've dropped it.
Repeat it.
don't tell me. Because of it. My phone is street.
Please snap your step by step and send. Oh, I've done it.
Oh,
Okay. Maria, are you having issue with your own? 70. Okay, the issue you have, the issue you have, supposed to select that's a set cell. The set cell is supposed to be B7, not B6. Then the changing cell, the changing cell is okay, but change the set cell. Change the set cell.
you know, have found the solution.
Drop your step. Drop your step. I'll see it on the screen. So but not that is not what she. But I like the way she dropped it. The way I want to show it. That's how I want. Some of us want to show.
The value is 200.
That means we are not following. Nobody can do this in
Because
other
that
field.
is saying they not have found the solution.
Eh? Ah, none
So
of you
then look at
can.
my own. See the thing I'm trying to do. I got the average.
The average
The
is I know
average.
you get the average now.
Then to
Then
value. To value
average.
is 200. Yeah, that's the average.
This is the average. Okay.
Then to value
We said the day's monthly sales amount for the first half of the year.
of the year.
If he reaches $200,000 per a middle year average, he will receive what?
A bonus of
5%.
5%.
5%. Use the goal stick to find how much you need to sell in June in order to make. So what did you do now?
The to value.
So paste what you did. Paste it. Let me check. Who else? Let me send to that woman what she will need to use. Having a issue with that one. I'm waiting now. 2 minutes more.
You see?
So what is the answer?
The answer is telling me run it again. It's saying go seeking with this aid may not have found the solution.
Ada, what about you? Those are asking me question. Those were asking me. Those people are asking me question before. Where are they?
Man is saying cell, I mean, it must contain formula.
Okay. Yeah, did not find solution. But the return the figure, Mr. Dan, the return 335,544.32. But it's on minus. So that's why
Did you
they
allow you
said
to
did not
load? Did
find
you allow you to load
solution.
finish? Did you allow you to load finish?
Yes, I allowed it to load finish. I did not touch it.
Mr.
Who
Dan,
else?
why is it saying cell must contain formula?
Send your own. Send it. Let me see.
Okay.
Yeah, return is on minus.
What did he give you as the yearly average? The middle average. What did he give you?
Minus. Is it me you're asking?
What is your average? What is your
Oh,
average? The average has been given to us already.
Yeah, the average is 187,724.80. That's the
From
median average.
from the question, the average is, he said, if he reached a average of 200, the average is there.
200.
The average is there already. So, eh, check what you should check what you should do. I'll give you 2 minutes more. Everybody must participate. Those that ask me a question. If you ask me a question, answer it.
Which
I want to
is
start.
200,000 median average. Is 5.
Answer the question. When I'm teaching the century here, I say, yeah, next one. Now, it's your time. It's your time. I'm waiting now. Once it's 225, I'll do the correction. I know that you don't know it.
Then I got it.
I said you send it. Let me see. Tell your chat. Let me see.
Okay, I'm happy finish. Yeah, come let me get them. I think I got it. I sent it.
You sent it. Okay, let's check. Let's check what you did. No. Minus. No. I don't want that one.
But it got the average to be 200.
I don't want.
Hey.
Yeah.
I don't know where this man is coming from.
Imagine
This man
that.
was
Sir, this question is following you.
That 3 is correct, but I don't know why it's on mine. The first that than I've tried.
Me, I say it's not try. I say you have tried.
Yeah. Why is your mind now?
Those in this class. I'm waiting.
Yeah, come out. Everybody should come out.
I'm hearing only 2 people's voice. I'm hearing only Timi, Tobe, and Grace. The others, where are you?
Everybody come out.
People have keep quiet.
It is time. Fall out. Ah, yeah. Wait, so let me try one more time.
So the media average is what?
200. That's 5%.
You say what?
The average is 200. I'm still getting minus.
You're still getting mine.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Let's see. The set value is what?
The set value. So how did you get 200?
I imputed it now. The set value should be what? Should be V8, Abby. V8. Then the value. Then by changing we didn't add formula. Let's add formula to that one. Let's add formula. So equals average equals if you use formula you won't get up to 2000.
So yes, one
Yes, you get
something.
the one
You get
87.
187.
Yes.
Then you click on this. Then click on what was your answer?
minus
My answer was minus 3.
minus 3 something.
Let's see if you're correct. Then 200,000. Then by changing.
Yes.
And what magic did you do?
I don't see my screen.
Mr. Dan, what did you do?
I don't do anything. You don't see my screen.
See what happened? The 200,000, we typed only 200. That is it. We typed only 200, but we started putting the 200,000. Okay. That
I don't
is the
type
trick.
it. I don't type it. This is what I do.
Sadan, I know what to do. I saw what.
Yeah, back it. How did you do it?
Why are you giving us all this motivation?
This is it. This is what I did here now.
Yes.
I typed 200,000.
That's what I'm saying. I only typed 200. You did not complete the 200,000.
I typed 200.
Then by changing, you like click on the cell.
Yes.
That's all.
That's all. 200. Okay.
Wait, but that said cell.
Oh yeah, who is talking? Let me hear.
I said,
That's
okay,
net
Salam,
sale.
the 5%, where is the 5%? Is it that the June, the 261,376 is the amount of money we should make to get up
Look
to
at look at look
200,000?
at the look at the question. Look at the question. I read it.
The workbook shows Dave's monthly sales amount for the first half of the year. If he reaches the $200,000 median average, okay, he will receive a 5% bonus.
He will receive, not that it's there.
Oh, he has reached this thing, so he will just receive.
Yes, I will give
Ah,
you the 5% bonus.
Mr. Dan.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Yes, for the third cell,
Yeah.
I did. There was a dollar sign, which was actually absolute.
Okay.
oh,
For this set, yes.
That was your
For this
error.
set cell, set cell.
Set sale is B8.
No, I think there
yes.
was a dollar. It was absolute.
Okay. When you click on it.
Yes.
Okay.
Ah,
Is it meant to be different answer or the same? Does it matter?
It matters now. You have to don't lock it. Just put B8. Don't lock it. Don't make it constant.
Okay, because that was what. Because me, I put 200,000, and it was still giving me a minus sign.
Now, what is it giving you now?
Okay.
mm.
Okay.
Let me screenshot it.
Really?
People
Mm.
use 10 hours to solve this question. 10 hours.
Salam, give us another one. I've known my mistake. And we go fuck up. I no go type with 200,000.
I've gotten mine. Mother, well done. Someone is asking, you can help me to reply. It's asking, where can you get the stick? Let me answer to them.
What if analysis?
What if analysis pin? Click on the drop down. You will see scenario manager, go to and data table. Click on go to.
Okay. Mr. Dan, let me show you this. When I did it as absolute. See. I've sent it.
Okay. Oh, that's why you're having minus.
Yes.
Oh.
So I actually did the correct thing, but because it was on absolute,
Okay, I got you.
that's what happened. So that means that absolute and reference are being relative is very important.
Yeah, it's very. That's why I explained that first. That if you're working,
Very, very important.
yeah, very
So
important.
this one now you don't have to click on the cell. You have to type it.
You have to type it. You don't have to click on it.
Okay. Let me see.
Madam said nobody is answering now. If you tell her
Who is
that,
that?
so nobody is answering.
Nobody is answering.
Still giving.
She's correct. She's correct. Ma, you're correct. Your own is correct. It's correct. Okay, finally. I can hear you, but I can't hear you, but you can hear me. So it's not my own fault from here. Maybe it's your network. Internet. So what must I put you through now?
But then
Please
give us
listen.
just one more challenge. I need to get this.
Mr. Dan,
Yeah.
it's still
What
giving me
of the
my
great?
number.
What of the great own? What of the great own? Say what of the great own. Hold on, let me answer this madam that's on this not working. Reply. Use this. So I've used 2 hours like this. So let's go on. Let me do one or two.
It's still giving me minus.
Which one is giving you minus?
This one.
Okay, I'll check it. Let me know. My own account.
Okay.
My own system has hung. Oh. So let me look for something important to explain. So if you want to enjoy more of this, please join us on that 3-month program. Let me go and explain this one, then we are done for today. Save as. IBM, okay, IMDB. If I have time, if I still have time after this, I'll explain lookup function, different types of lookups. But what I want to do now is pivot table. So please download this data set. So this mine, download. Okay, we still have issue with that one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I think this is. Please, if you download, let me know. So move on. Ask me question on this one. Proceed. What value do we use here for this? You can tell us. What value do we use here? What value do we use?
70.
Are you sure? For the budget?
Yes.
500.
500. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Number of guests. Yes.
I want to send for someone, so I'll allow and get another answer.
Please, can you send the challenge to me, please?
Which one?
The challenge on.
The one we just did now?
Yes, challenge.
It's there now. I've sent it. It's there. Check the WhatsApp.
You
You see it.
didn't send it. Okay.
Let's go. So, pivot table.
It's a pivot table, it says. It's
So,
not the challenge.
is it IBM or IMB movie? So, what looking at now? Pivot table.
No, that's not what I'm asking about.
Are we ready?
So detail below.
Are we ready?
No. Please, I need some. I'll be very.
So, the Excel pivot table is a powerful Excel features used to summarize, analyze, explore, and present data. It helps you automatically groups and aggregate large data sets without using complex formula. So with pivot table, you don't have to use complex formula. So you can rearrange data dynamically, you can perform calculation like sum, average, count, mean, max, and so on. So we can filter, then slice data easily. You can create interactive dashboard. So there are components you need to get to know on pivot table. The first component there is the row. What is the row? data categorizes the data categories you want to group by region or what or product. Then we have column.
Product.
We have column. So categories you compare across the top. Then we have value. Value is what you want to calculate. For instance, total sales, count of order. Then we have filter used to narrow down data in the table. Then we have slicer, visual filter tools that helps you or helps users to interactively filter data. So you can use it to filter data interactively. So then we have steps to insert pivot table, which I'm going to show us in this section, show us how to. But for this pivot table, I'm going to teach us using the practical way. So we are going to use of these data sets. These are IMDB. So we're going to use for analysis. So I'll be giving us the questions we're going to use then and so on. Data sets. So let's start by inserting the pivot table. So how do we insert the pivot table?
Click on.
We click on the data. Don't click outside.
On the data.
The data
Yes.
set, then insert. Then we have
Pivot
pivot table. So I'll click on the pivot table. Then new worksheet. Okay. So our question 1 goes like this. We're going to do it question by question. Question 1. Budget by title. Budget by title. So looking at your right hand side, you'll see the columns. These are the pivot table fields. These are the columns. So our first question says what? Budget by what? By titles. We want to look at the titles and the budgets. So how do we do that? You insert the title. These are the title. Then the budget. So this is the budget per title. This is the budget per title. We need to add our $sign. How do you add the $sign? By formatting. By formatting. So how do you format? How do you format this? Format cell, then currency, then $sign. So we're going to apply it to the rest, select everything, then right click, format cell, accounting, currency, then $sign. So that is how you apply it to the rest. So see that. So question can come and say, okay, you should make it top 10. If you want to make top 10, or you want to change this row label. To change this row label, click on your design, then report layout, show in tabular form. In this way, you'll be able to change the title, the row title, to what? To the original title, which is title. The original name of the column name is what? Title. So take notes. Take notes. So if the question say top 10, to do top 10 is very easy. You click on the drop down, then filter value, that is value filter, then you can now select the top 10. Top 10. So these are top 10. Top 10 title by budgets. So sort it in ascending order. Hello? Someone want to ask a question? To sort in ascending or descending order, just right click, and sort. Can do descending, can do ascending. That is largest to smallest. Let me do largest to smallest. So this the host is the first. This is the total budget of the host. Then Lady Rangers is the second. So please try that. Then after you've done that, okay, she said, how should you go to the format? Just highlight the range, highlight the budget, the sum of budget, highlight it, then click on right click, then select format cells. So clicking on format cells, here you have the currency, then you have accounting. So click on the currency, then you select the currency. So the currency we are using here is what? It's dollar. That's all. So change it, look for the dollar sign. Look for the dollar sign. If it's Naira, you can get Naira. Naira is somewhere there. If it's Naira, you can get Naira. Yes.
Mr. Don, I'm not able to start my pivot table. You keep saying that I request.
You didn't select the data set now. You didn't click on the data set. You are inserting it inside.
I did.
Screenshot, let's see. Screenshot your process. Let me see. For this, you can represent this with a chart. You can represent this with a chart. Pivot charts. I'm going to use column chart for it. So the title is budget by title. Budget by title. Top 10. Click on the title drop down, then this top 10 there.
I don't understand.
Okay. Let's see where you sent it. So next question. Back to the data set. Then insert the pivot table again. The new worksheet. Budget and revenue. Budget and revenue by country. January and title. So how do we solve this? Who is a good Excel person there? How can we solve this? You're good in Excel. How do you solve this? Which one goes to row? Which one goes to value? Which one goes to column? How do we solve this?
So go and check the loop now, okay?
Okay, let me check. So when you click OK, what does it show now?
Showing reference, this thing is Chidima just complain. Data reference is not valid.
Okay. Can you share? Are you using your screen?
No,
Do you join with your system?
no, I joined with my phone.
Okay, so what I get to assist you now? Okay, how do I get to assist you on this? How do I get to assist you on this? Format as table. Format as table. Control T.
I saw that too. No.
See, look at my screen.
Okay.
Format as table. Format as table. Do this.
Done.
Then click. Just don't align. Just click anywhere inside. Click anywhere inside. Then insert. Pivot table. Then can see showing table one. Table one. Showing table one. So what you're showing. That's what you're showing.
Yes, everyone.
Click OK.
We couldn't get the data from table one.
The same process.
Yes.
Okay, see what you do now. Open a new Excel. Are you following?
Yes.
Control A, copy everything inside this Excel. This one you open now. This recent one you open. Then Control A, copy all record, everything. Then you paste it inside the new workbook you just open. Is anybody facing the same issue? Do you get what I said?
Yes.
So try that and see. So who has solved question 2? Nobody? Okay, let me continue. This is my question. So country. So we should get the country. Yes. Let's go on. Should that one be an array? Then the title. Correct.
He has opened them.
Good. So then the title. So go down to the budget. We need the budget. Then we also need the revenue. That is the gross revenue. Done.
What about for the columns?
This is what you need. No, you don't need the column. This is what you need. The columns are what goes into the columns is the values. You can see budget and revenue.
A question. How do you know what goes into the rows and columns?
Okay. Rows and columns are, that is vertical and horizontal. So presenting a data that is very long in column is very, you won't understand it. If I present it now, I can present this stuff now in column. You won't understand. You will not understand it. It will be so overwhelming. So if you are going to present on row, it's better. But you're presenting on column, which is something that is not much.
Oh, okay.
Something like category, subcategory. Put that in. So let's pick chat for instance. Chat. this one is going to be a little busy because of the columns we pick. So I'm going to leave this one like this table. So let's format it.
Then, Mr. Dan, I don't have design.
You don't have what?
Design.
Because you're not when you click on the table you see design. When you click on the table you see design.
Check it.
So there are many countries, many countries. Based on their budgets. So question number 3. So we should filter only on horror films. So let's see. Country. Then these are the country. Then the revenue. Then we're asked to filter only on horror films. Let's see. Let's insert a new row. There's no space for it to display, so it's requesting for space. Okay, so then filter based on that is how you filter based on horror movies. So then insert your pivot table. So you can use any of these charts. So don't forget how to format. Then you can show the data label. See, sorry, it's so big, so don't need to add it. To see it, just put your cursor, be able to see it. Can see, be able to see it. So the last question, is anybody asking question? Grace, is your own working now?
Yes, it's working, Mr. Dan.
Okay.
It's working, but you take the video because I'm just watching what you are doing.
Okay.
Mr. Dan, please,
Yes.
if you want to go to a new sheet, how do you do that?
You go back now. Go back and start.
Okay.
So for this, the last question. Generate. We have rating. We have revenue. Then we have filter by what?
B&W Films.
So it should be on color. That is no space. So let me give it a space. That you won't be able to filter. Okay, so by using black and what? Let's filter black and white. Size B and W. That's it. That is that on pivot table.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Okay, so I'll
Mr.
stop
Dan, you
here.
said we'll do one more thing, oh.
We'll do VLOOKUP. VLOOKUp.
You said we'll do VLOOKUP. I'll be your time.
Sorry.
That is all. That is all. That is all. So,
Thank you so much, Mr.
for
Dan.
those
Please send the
that
video
Thank you.
for us. So,
yeah, some of you are already going to class next week, so don't worry.
yes.
Continue from there. I'll send the video. I'll drop this video.
Okay.